Bharat GPT is a full-scale generative AI ecosystem developed in India for India-specific needs. Bharat GPT Mini is a lightweight version of Bharat GPT, optimized for speed, efficiency, and low-power devices. Recently, India's artificial intelligence sector achieved a significant milestone as a core over the country's leading conversational AI company successfully launched Bharat GPT Mini at the Europe's premier technology conference VivaTech 2025 in Paris and quickly secured its first commercial partnership with a French business school. The breakthrough came when a business school in Paris signed a deal with CoreOver to deploy the multilingual AI system for student services, making the first European commercial adoption of the Indian developed technology. Through this partnership, Bharat GPT Mini will assist the school's prospective students with the resume reviews, program selection, and admissions guidance. This lightweight model supports 14 Indian language along with major international languages and accepts multiple input formats including voice, text, and videos. Its privacy-first architecture means sensitive data remains on user's device rather than being transmitted to external servers. In a world grappling with ballooning cloud costs and growing data privacy concerns, Bharat GPT Mini offers a timely alternative. Bharat GPT Mini distinguishes itself in an increasingly crowded AI market through its focus on efficiency and accessibility. Unlike resource intensive large language models that require constant internet connectivity and significant computing power, CoreOver's solution operates offline and on device, addressing growing concerns about cloud computing costs and data privacy. CoreOver's Paris success is part of a broader Indian government initiative to establish the country as a global AI innovator rather than merely a consumer of foreign technology. Early market indicators suggest a strong appetite for CoreOver's approach. The company reports enterprise interest has risen 60 to 70%, while small businesses' adoption is projected to increase fivefold in fiscal year 2026. The success of Bharat GPT Mini represents a strategic shift of India's technology sector, moving beyond software services to compete in cutting edge AI technology. With more than 25,000 clients globally and over 1 million users, CoreOver is positioning itself as a champion of what it calls AI sovereignty. The company has a vision and nations should develop indigenous AI capabilities rather than depend entirely on foreign platforms. CoreOver Builders aims to democratize AI creation, allowing businesses to build conversational AI applications without extensive technical expertise. A global attention increasingly focuses on the concentration of AI development in a few major technology companies. India's emergence as a creator of alternative, privacy focused AI solutions may signal a broader shift in the industry's geographic and technological landscape. Hence, this breakthrough may revolutionize the AI sector in India. If you find this interesting, don't forget to like this video. To know more about this exciting field of AI, keep connected and subscribe YouTube channel Phizifer. Thank you for watching.